I really like this. This is in Ambolina. It's a burl type of material. 3 were made. Angelo has one. A very lucky collector in Europe has a second one. And I have this one. Some people are having problems with the buttons. As you can see, this one works fine, but there are going to be times when you will have one snag up on you. It's an easy fix. It's nothing to ruin your day about. This has a bayonet blade. One thing that's different about this knife is on the tang, you see it says AGA Campolin. No, I'm sorry, it says AGA Campolin, Italy, I'm sorry. Now, the bayonet blades are the only ones that came out without the 2010 tang stamp. Now that was because he was running short on dagger blades. There's not a crack anywhere on this. Speaking of cracks, let's crack this bad boy open. These are 13 inches long. As you can tell. I'm liking this Batwing more than I think I like any of the other ones because it's just so beautiful in this Ambolina. I just thought I'd share it with you. And Crittenden, I cannot wait until you get yours. And I just know you're just going to be grinning from ear to ear. All the weight and all the trouble and everything associated with that will vanish the moment that you get it in your hands and you fire it. I guarantee that. These are very heavy knives. They're very well built knives. They're my answer to the Rizzuto Estiletto. Anyway, that's it. Thought I'd like to share it with you. Take care. Enjoy.